guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a soft smoky Valentine's Day look for you guys. So this will be a look that you can wear in the daytime, and you also can wear it at nighttime with your boo, your lover, your confidant. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, just keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I think I'm gonna call you guys the T Squad because my name is Tracy, and you know we a squad, so T Squad. So comment below if you like the T Squad. Hashtag T Squad if you like that. So let's get into it. Let's go. Alright, so first I'm gonna prime my face with this e.l.f. primer right here. Just gonna put a little bit on my face. I just love the way primer makes your face feel. It's just OMG. OMG. And if you like my eyebrows, you feel me, go check out my eyebrow tutorial that I just did. It is uploaded. Go check that out. Tell your girl what you think. Put your eyebrows on fleek so your man can buy you a drink. Alright, so my face is all primed up, ready to go. So we're gonna start with some concealer. I'm gonna use L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow concealer in Cocoa. So this is what I'm using. Boom. Just gonna put a little bit up on my eyeballs, like so, and then we're just gonna take our finger and just, you know, blend it. Like so. Does not have to be perfect. Alright. Now I'm gonna start this tutorial off a little bit different. I'm gonna take this Rimmel London waterproof eyeliner. It's a nude. I'm actually gonna use that underneath my brow bone. So I'm just gonna put some underneath, like so, and then I'm gonna take a big fluffy angled brush like this. These brushes are from BH Cosmetics. I'll leave the link below to let you know where I got them if you guys want to get these. Rose gold, they on fleek. So we're just gonna take that and we're gonna just blend it out. Just like that. See, like, oh, this look about to be fire already. Just blending it on out. So what are you guys' plans for Valentine's Day? So far, me and babe don't have plans. Question, do you guys like when your boyfriend just plans romantic things for you, or do you don't really care, like you rather just plan, it is what it is? Alright, so we have that brow bone looking like it should. Boom boom clap. Right? We're gonna take, if I can open it, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna take this brown right here, and we're gonna put it above the crease with a dense blending brush, just above the crease, like so. And don't be scared, you know, it looks dark and harsh, and you know, it's okay, it could look like that. it could look like that. Yep. My camera is going to die, guys. I'm gonna be back if it dies. So we're just gonna blend that on into that highlight. Blend it on in. Alright, and then we're gonna take a fluffy brush and we're going to take this color right, oop, can you see? Right there. Just gonna pat a little bit on our brush and we're gonna put that right over that highlight. Like so. Just give it a little shine. Give the highlights a little shine. Okay. Finishing spray. And I'm just gonna spray it on there real quick like that. And then I'm gonna take that pretty rosy pinkish color. I think that just screams Valentine's. And we're just gonna put that right on the lid. Up into the crease, creating like a halo effect. Just like so. Do it on the other eye. Just like so. Pretty brown eyes. Then we're going to take the light pink shade and we're going to take a more denser brush and we're just going to apply that right in the inner corner of that and overlap it onto that dark pink. Now we're going to take that same dense brush that we had earlier. We're not going to put any more product on it. We're just going to use what's on it and we're going to blend those colors into that crease, upward into the crease like so. Like so. Blend, 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 auntie. Everybody acts like, ask. Can't talk. Everybody like wants to know like what's the secret to a flawless look. For me, it's the blending. Like you have to blend. Color, it's only one matte color in the palette, so we're just gonna dip it in that and continue windshield wiper motions, circular motions. Continue to fade that out and make it look like money. Now, that pink rubbed off, but that is okay. Because we're going to go back in with the pink. And we're going to make it pop. Make it pop like so. Okay. Ooh, it's looking pretty. We're going to take that deep purple and we're just going to dip our blending brush into it ever so lightly. And we're just going to put it right on the outer corner. Okay. Ooh, barracuda. Now we're going to take a smaller, a more like longer, flatter brush like this. I'm going to wet it. And then I am going to take this copper color. And then I'm going to put that right over top of the pink. Just brush a little bit, not too much. Just like that. We're going to go back into that pink. Brush it over. Go back into the copper. Brush it over like so. Then we're going to take the blending brush. Blend, blend, blend. Okay. Now we're going to line the top of our lids. Try to get as close to the lash line as possible. Just like so. We're going to do the other side. And we're just going to try to stay close as possible as we can to that lash line. Like so. There we go. Okay, and now we're going to take the color Peekaboo by NYX. NYX, and this is the color, can you guys see it? Peekaboo. We're going to line our waterline with this. And I like to get it really in there. Alright. Now we're going to take a pencil brush and we're going to take that dark brown in the palette. It's only one dark brown in the palette. And we are going to smoke out underneath. Like so. gonna do the other side. And we're just using the pencil brush to smoke out that color. Now we're going to take Maybelline's Fit Me foundation. I am going to use the one in 360, and I'm going to put it on this Real Technique brush. I'm just gonna put a little bit on there, and we're gonna just stipple it onto our skin. Definitely brightens up my face compared to the other side. We're just gonna work it in. Does anyone else nose like run when they're doing their makeup?